most remember. And a song someone sings once upon a December.